One of the most basic things that you need to do is set up Google Analytics. In order to do that, you just go to Google, type in Google Analytics. Usually it's the first link. You'll arrive at a page like this. You need to have a Google account or a Gmail account. You just click on Google Analytics. It'll allow you, bring you over there. Me, I have a bunch of different accounts, but you actually want to get to the admin area. Once you get to the admin area, you actually want to ensure that you add it to the right section of your account. In this particular, I want to get to my personal sites, and I want to add a new account. Within here, you can see that I have multiple different domain names under the exact same account, but I actually want to go ahead and create a new property. In here, I'll actually be doing a test example. So here, I'll put the name. You choose HTTP or secure HTTPS. Add your main domain name. Choose a category if you want to, and show you have the proper setup. So, in this case, I'll choose business, just for example, and then you go ahead and get the tracking ID. Once you do that, it'll bring you over, and that's really it. It'll allow you to take this tracking ID. Now you actually have to get it onto your website. In order to do that, you can upload it into your HTML pages if you do your website that way, or in most cases, add it to your WordPress admin. In order to do that, you just copy the page, copy the code, and then you want to bring it into your WordPress admin. You need to know your WordPress theme or admin, how it really works. Either you have to upload it through FTP, or more than likely your theme has some type of option. In this case, I use WooTheme's function theme. I'll click on theme options, and then on the first page is a section called tracking code. And it clearly explains right here, paste your Google Analytics tracking code here. So we want to go ahead and paste that and hit save. Now we know that the Google Analytics tracking code is actually on this page. If you want to make sure that it's actually on the page, you can actually go to your website. I have a temporary landing page right here for the masterwebsiteconversions.com. But if you actually want to view the source and do a find Google, there it is, Google Analytics with that tracking code for that domain name. So it's now here. If I were to go to any of my subsections, in this case I don't have a navigation going on right now, but it is across all pages. Here's just an example page. Do the exact same thing. Find Google. And there it is. Google Analytics. There's my ID. There's a domain name. So you know that's running. If you're ever unsure if Google Analytics is actually running on your page, that's how you find it in the view source. Once it's actually up and running, this is what you'll come back to. You go back to, instead of clicking on admin like I showed you, you'll click on reports, and you'll start to be collecting data. This site is brand new, so it's starting to receive about 9-10 impressions per day, and as I start to promote it and change it, it's starting to see more traffic. As you start to get more traffic, we'll also get more keywords. You can click through all these reports on the left. Acquisition being your traffic and how you get referrals. Majority of my referrals, I'm sure, come from different things. These are interesting. So I could see, I see that these two sites are actually sending some traffic. I don't know who those are, but I'll go ahead and kind of research who those people are sending traffic to me. You can also look at, particularly some of the keywords that are sending traffic over. Some of this stuff is not trackable anymore with the new Google Analytics not allowing keywords to come in. Another way to actually use Google Analytics great is to be able to view the pages that are seeing the most traffic. That's interesting. It's kind of seeing the wrong interesting stuff. But as it's a new site, so as new traffic comes in, we'll start to see exactly how the traffic patterns are working, and that's how you use Google Analytics. If you want to see more, also you can set up a complete dashboard based on bounce rate, users, whatever you want to see on your dashboard. Eventually you can track revenue and goals as well. We'll be covering that in further videos, but if you want to see more Google Analytics ScreenFlow videos, please let me know.